Senate Bill 546. Imagine this. Imagine your child rides a school bus every morning in one district. The bus has full seat belts because the district can afford upgrades. In another district down the road, the bus does not because the budget is tight and nothing has changed yet. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 546 says all school buses in Texas should have 3-point seat belts to better protect students and drivers. What it actually does? This means school districts are allowed to delay installing seat belts if they say their budget cannot handle it. Those districts only have to report the problem to the state. The state collects the data, but does not provide funding or require fixes until 2029. This means safety improvements depend on local money, not a statewide solution. Who benefits? School districts that cannot afford upgrades right now, state leaders who can say they address safety without funding it, and bus manufacturers and retrofit vendors in the future. Who pays the price? Students in lower income or rural districts, parents who believe the law means buses are safer right now, and local school boards forced to choose between safety and other needs. Why it matters. When safety depends on zip codes, kids do not get equal protection. Delaying funding does not remove the risk, it just pushes it onto families who already have fewer resources. If the state sets the rules but not the funding, the burden quietly shifts to local communities. Questions to ask your lawmakers. If some districts can afford upgrades and others cannot, how will the state prevent safety gaps between students? Why was funding plan delayed instead of built into the bill from the start? What happens if districts are still unable to comply when the 2029 deadline arrives? Bottom line, Senate Bill 546 promises safer school buses, but delays real protection and leaves too many kids waiting on funding instead of action.